Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. We are happy to see you today.
Today, we have a fun topic.
Yes, we will talk about your previous year.
We will talk about 2025.
What did you do last year? What was good? What was hard?
Don't worry, we use easy English.
This video is for beginners, A1 and A2 level.
Please relax, listen, and speak with us.
Before we start, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
It helps us a lot. Thank you.
Okay, let's begin. Paul, let me ask you something.
Sure, go ahead.
How was your previous year?
Oh, that's a good question.
Thank you.
My previous year was busy but good.
Busy, but good. I like that.
I worked a lot. I taught many students.
That sounds nice.
I also learned new things.
Great. Learning is important.
Yes. What about you, Emily?
My previous year was interesting.
Interesting. Tell us more.
I traveled a little.
Wow, travel is fun.
Yes, I visited my family too.
That's lovely.
So, listeners, did you hear us?
We used the past tense.
Yes, words like was, worked, learned.
These words talk about the past.
The past means before now.
Last year is the past.
Let's explain more. Very simple. When we talk about last year, we use past verbs.
For example, I worked, or I studied English, or I was happy.
Let's say it together, learners. I worked last year.
Good. Now repeat, learners.
Nice job.
Another example. I learned many new words.
Please repeat, learners. I learned many new words.
Exactly. Well done.
Paul, how did you feel last year?
I felt tired sometimes,
Me too. Teaching can be tiring.
but I also felt proud.
Proud is a good feeling.
Yes, I helped many learners.
That's amazing.
How did you feel last year, Emily?
I felt excited and thankful.
Thankful for what?
Thankful for my students.
Aw, that's sweet.
Thank you.
Listeners, feelings are important words.
Yes, you can say, I felt happy or I felt sad.
Or, I felt busy. Let's practice, learners. Please repeat after me. I felt happy last year.
Good job. Now try this one. I felt tired last year.
Nice speaking. Emily, what did you do last year?
I worked, I traveled, I studied. I also watched movies.
Oh, movies are fun.
Yes, I watched movies in English.
That's a great idea.
I cooked more last year.
Cooking is practice too.
Exactly. Practice makes better.
Listeners, you can say simple sentences. For example, I worked.
I studied English. I watched TV.
Let's repeat it together, learners. I studied English last year.
Perfect. Now it's your turn, learners. We will ask questions. Please answer aloud.
You can pause the video to repeat.
Question 1. How was your previous year?
Good. Any answer is okay.
Question 2. What did you do last year?
Nice speaking.
Question 3. How did you feel last year?
Great job.
Let's try one more. Did you study English last year?
Excellent. Even yes or no is fine.
Paul, let's show a short example.
Good idea. Let's do this.
Hi, Paul. How was your previous year?
It was good. I worked and studied.
How did you feel?
I felt busy but happy.
That's great.
Yes, short sentences are okay.
Okay, everyone, let's wrap up.
Today, we talked about the previous year.
We talked about 2025.
We used past tense verbs.
Words like was, worked, and felt.
We talked about feelings and activities.
You practice speaking aloud. That is very important. Remember, simple English is good English.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn. Please practice in the comments. Write one sentence about your previous year.
For example, I studied English last year.
We love to read your comments.
And don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe for more English practice.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time.
Bye-bye, everyone.